Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how users can merge one or more PDF files into a single PDF and add the watermark into the merged PDF file. First, navigate to the account and open Record Detail and upload a couple of PDF files. You can see that S3 files are now uploaded and attached to the account record. Now let's merge them. Click on the S3-Link PDF Merger section. Select PDF files which you want to merge. For that, click on the search bar or the plus icon. This will display all PDF files attached to the account record. Select one or more PDF files that you want to merge and click Add. You can also search for files by typing the file name in the search input. To remove selected files, click on the Delete icon. Once files are selected, you can rearrange the selected files by dragging and dropping them to ensure they merge in the desired order. Click on Preview. This will load the merged PDF file in the box and you can review it. If you want to download the merged file, click on Download. This will open a UI where you can provide the name of the merged PDF. After that, click Download and the PDF will be downloaded in local storage. Here is the merged PDF file. You can see the company logo watermark in the PDF. You can also use your logo as the watermark. Thank you for watching.